So do you normally carry a bag of what ifs, or do you carry a bag of creative potential? The what if bag and the creative potential bag. So what is this all about? Well, I guess as we get that a little bit older, we find ourselves asking a question: do we actually need all the gear that we carry? So in this video, I'm going to continue the story of photography after 70 and question why you might need particular things in your bag. In fact, I'm going to show you what I carry in my bag when I go out on a photography shoot. You might be surprised. Right, here we go. All the secrets revealed. Well, first of all, of course, the most obvious is camera and lens. So there we go, one camera and lens. Now, what else do I regard as very useful to take with me? Chamois leather cloth, gets rid of any rain and protects the camera and lens if needed. Very useful. A little filter pack, but there's a secret inside there. Little side pocket with a battery and lens cloths. Yep, that's it. Everything I carry for a day's photography, landscape or beach. And at 72, I don't need anything else. Anyway, let me tell you about some of the decisions I made when I was trying to think, what do I actually need on a shoot? So obviously I've got my camera and lens, and as many of you know who've watched the channel, that is a Sony Alpha 7R4 coupled with a 24 to 105 G lens with stabilization. That's it. So nice simple setup, and I must admit I do find myself probably shooting wider most of the time than longer. So very often between 24 and maybe 50 mil. A good quality chamois leather. Now, why did I include this? I've used this quite a lot, especially in Cornwall in the UK in the spring and winter. Of course, it's never like it is today. This is April the 2nd, would you believe? Absolutely fabulous. So good quality chamois leather. When it's raining, although the camera's weather sealed and the lens is weather sealed, I tend to drop it over the top of the camera and it keeps most things dry. It's also, if used carefully, a fantastic lens cloth for getting off that moisture off the lens. So another bit of my essential kit. I always carry a spare battery. The other day I was caught out and needed that spare battery. I hadn't realised I hadn't charged the camera battery up. So the spare battery was very useful. And then in my filter pouch, I have 2 filters. Why do I have them? Well, as you know, I like to shoot at the sea, seaside in particular, also in landscapes and woodlands. And I find sometimes using an ND filter will just take the edge off bright light and still give me an excellent exposure. So I have 2 filters, an ND8 and an ND64. And why do I carry an extension tube? I think sometimes it's very easy to miss out on some fantastic shots. And we'll have a wander around the beach in a minute and see what we can find. An extension tube really allows me to get close with the camera and in focus, much closer than the camera would normally be able to do, or this lens would normally be able to do. And it weighs only a few grams. So that went in as part of my essential kit, and really is helpful for that creative element as well. Very, very useful. That's pretty much it. What else do I need? I suppose you're wondering, what about a tripod? Well, if you've watched me on this channel before, you'll know that I don't use a tripod. I really rarely use a tripod. I will do if I'm going out specifically to do some really long exposures, but the stabilization in my camera and lens is so good, I find I really do not need a tripod. And don't forget my confidence stack. I'll put a link up to that video just up here, so you can watch the confidence stack, which enables me to have some really good basic settings for any shot that I want to take. What else? Well, I don't have lots of ND filters because, again, I don't actually really need to use them. And neither do I use a CPL filter. I find they sort of give almost a false colorization to a shot. You know, the colors become way too saturated. For me, it's a personal choice. So I don't carry a CPL filter either. And I suppose it's worth also saying I only carry one lens. It's a zoom lens, 24 to 105. I don't need to carry lots of primes. I use DxO Photolab 9 for any lens corrections and sensor corrections. Serves me very, very well. So I've no need to sort of pack a wider angled lens or a bunch of prime lenses. I'm not a professional photographer. And while sometimes it's nice to have these things and to try them out, for me, I found it too cumbersome, made the bag too heavy. And I certainly never get away with a small bag like this. This video is all about continuing that story of photography after 70. As we get older, we realise we don't actually need lots of equipment and gear to carry around. And there is a sense of freedom, isn't there, when you don't have a variety of lenses to choose from. If you've got one lens, that's all you've got. Without a tripod, you don't need it. You can use the facilities of the camera to get the shot that you want. So have a think about what you put into your camera bag before you go out on your next shoot. Do you really need to take that particular lens? If so, why? And if you can't answer the why question, leave the lens behind. And it's the same for all your equipment. So let me ask, has there been a piece of equipment, a lens, a camera, filters, whatever it might be, but has there been a piece of equipment that you've left behind one day and haven't really noticed it when you've been out on your shoot? Pop a comment below. I'd love to read about it. Thanks very much for watching, and until next time, bye.